Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the word scout enters the welcome woods in VocabLand, a place full of friendly greetings. The area feels warm and comfortable, making conversations feel easy. A word that perfectly captures this warm, friendly vibe is affable. It means being friendly, kind, and easy to talk to, which helps everyone feel welcome. Smiles and gentle words make the moment feel relaxed. Listening carefully helps connections grow stronger. Kind responses make others feel welcome and heard. Friendly behavior helps trust build naturally. Timo remembers that being kind and easy to talk to helps make friends and open new paths.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.